Welcome to STANSTAN DIY Plus channel. Today I have a new project for you guys. I want to show you how to change a look of this wall to that one. Let's get ready. I'm gonna show you right now. Alright, so first of all, you need some equipment like this. You need some paint, you need a primer, I have a white paint, and then the different color I'm gonna use, and then my gloves. So I have to remove first of all this screw. So on my electric switch here, and then my cable entrance. So I remove that because I don't want it to full of paint, so it's good to unscrew that. I add some paper just to avoid messy my flow. So yeah, get some paper, it's better like this. All right, here's the primer. I'm gonna give it the primer first, guys. It's always good to give primer first when it's not like a light color. If it's a dark color like the black one, it's good to put a primer and then add any color you want to add on top. All right, so here's the primer using my brush, and then always try to dry the brush. Don't let it too wet. It's you have to give a first coat and then the second coat, so while you're painting here. Get my first coat done. Now I'm gonna use my paint. So go a little bit fast because it takes time, different coat. Here we go, it's all white, all beautiful. Now I have to let my paint dry. As it dry, I'm gonna do the design now. So I'm using those paint tape, different size, 2 inches and 1 inch. So I'm gonna use that to make the design. So the design gonna look like this. Now I do add a little shell, it's a homemade shell. And I'm also gonna show you how to do that shell too, guys. It's a homemade one. I don't buy it nowhere, I just made it myself. And then you get the project like this. Alright, this is it, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the video on the left bottom at the end of this one, and click on the next video to see how I make the shell. Okay, all right, that was it, guys. Thanks for watching. So you guys go now and subscribe and share, like, comment, and then I'll see you in my next video, guys. Okay.